Welcome to a complete breakdown of Vizard, a powerful tool designed to turn your long-form videos into snackable viral content in record time. Whether you are a podcaster, a YouTuber, or just someone trying to repurpose content, this walkthrough covers all the shortcuts and big wins the platform offers. First, you will want to head over to their website to create an account so you can start transforming your raw footage immediately. The upload process is incredibly simple because it accepts YouTube links, Google Drive files, Dropbox, and even direct cloud sources like Zoom recordings. Simply paste your episode link, click the Create button, and watch as the magic begins to happen behind the scenes. Vizard offers real flexibility, letting you create vertical clips for TikTok and Reels, or longer highlight videos for other platforms. Once the analysis completes, the software identifies high-value moments that have the greatest potential to resonate with your audience. You will even see a scorecard for each clip that rates things like hook potential, flow, and trend analysis to help you decide what to publish first. You can tell the system what kind of content you have, like marking it as an interview or a podcast, to improve the quality of the automated cuts. By picking specific categories like lifestyle or tech, the AI understands your context much better and selects relevant highlights accordingly. The time range slider is a handy tool that lets you skip intros or housekeeping segments so you only mind the meat of the episode. You can also add custom prompts to find specific moments, like every time a product launch is mentioned or a certain keyword is used. If you are not a designer, you can choose from various presets and templates that are inspired by popular creators. These templates handle your fonts, caption styles, and text animations automatically to keep your branding consistent across every single clip. You can edit these templates to change colors, adjust text animations, or set your aspect ratio, and then save them for later use. After generation, all your clips appear in your dashboard with suggested titles, thumbnail options, and full transcriptions. From the dashboard, you can preview the clips and manage your workflow by connecting your social accounts for direct publishing. Direct publishing is great for speed, but you also have the option to export your files to finish in other editing software like Premiere or Final Cut. The exported files can include burned-in captions or SRT files, which is a massive time saver when prepping batches of content. What makes this stand out is how the software uses AI to identify clips with high viral potential rather than just making random cuts. It even suggests the best platforms to post on, helping you decide whether a specific clip works better as a short or a long-form video. The internal editor is a powerful tool where you can scrub through transcriptions, trim clips, and reposition captions to fit your needs. You can even add transitions and overlays to make your content look more professional without having to be an expert editor. The AI-generated B-roll feature is great for filling in visual gaps or adding interest, especially if you need quick placeholders. There is also a voiceover generator that lets you type a script and pick a voice, which is perfect for adding quick intros or calls to action. For creators on a schedule, the built-in content calendar and auto-scheduler are absolute game changers. Auto-scheduling allows you to set your posting frequency, and the platform will handle the rest, letting you maintain a consistent presence effortlessly. The content calendar gives you a bird's-eye view of everything, allowing you to drag and drop posts to reschedule them whenever you want. You can monitor your performance metrics directly within the platform to see which clips are getting the most views and engagement. While I might use specialized tools for deep dive analytics, the built-in numbers here are perfect for getting quick insights. Compared to other tools that force you into rigid workflows, Vizard offers a better balance of features, customization, and fair pricing. Transcription accuracy is critical, and the engine here is solid, with support for multiple languages if you are looking to reach a global audience. A pro tip is to spend about 10 minutes building a master brand template, so every future clip looks perfectly on brand. Don't forget to use the time range slider to cut out the boring parts so the algorithm focuses entirely on your best content. Pricing tiers are flexible, offering free trials for testing and pro plans that unlock team seats and more advanced exports for serious creators. The asset library is a small but powerful feature that lets you store your intros and outros to drop them into new clips instantly. While some automated assets might be a bit generic, they serve as excellent placeholders to speed up your editing workflow significantly. If you are a creator who wants to stop wasting hours manually clipping your content, this platform is definitely worth exploring. It streamlines the end-to-end pipeline from finding the perfect moments to publishing them, saving you massive amounts of time. Head over to their website, test it out with a recent episode, and see how many high-quality clips you can generate in minutes. If you have any questions after trying it out, drop them in the comments, and I will be happy to help you walk through the steps. Thanks for watching this full tour of Vizard, and I will see you in the next video for more tips on maximizing your content.